How to create a dynamic frame counter in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to add a text to it which counts the number of frames in the video. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus into the timeline. With the text selected, open up the Inspector panel. Right-click on the text area and select Expressions. Here in this text box, type time. Now adjust the duration of the text to match your video. And now we have a text which counts the number of frames in the video. To add a text after the number, press space, then type 2 dots, then press space again and enter your text in quotation marks. Instead of counting frames, we can create a simple timer with this expression. First, right-click on the timeline and select Timelines, Timeline Settings. Here you can see that my timeline is 30 frames per second. So if I divide the number of frames by 30, I should get a timer that counts the seconds. In the expression, divide time by 30, I have to round this number in order to see an integer number. So, cut the text in the expression text box, type floor, and in the parenthesis paste the previous expression. And now we have a timer which counts the seconds. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.